Welcome! If you're looking to turn off dark mode on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to switch back to light mode and brighten up your Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Find the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, and give it a click. This will open up a new panel with more options. Scroll down until you spot the option labeled Switch Appearance. This is where you can control how Instagram looks on your screen. Click on Switch Appearance, and you'll see the settings for dark and light mode. Now, you'll notice a toggle or switch for dark mode. If dark mode is currently enabled, the switch will be turned on. To disable dark mode, simply click the switch so it moves to the off position. Instantly, your Instagram interface will change from the dark background to the classic light mode. Take a moment to enjoy the refreshed look. Light mode can make your feed feel brighter and more vibrant, especially if you spend a lot of time scrolling during the day. Plus, it can be easier on the eyes if you prefer a lighter color scheme. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled dark mode on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and toggle dark mode back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Have a great day and enjoy your new Instagram look.